It has been a tough operating environment for many sectors as the economy continues to slow down and the full effect of the interest rate capping law takes toll. But the going has been tougher for commercial banks. Last week it was Barclays Bank reporting a significant drop in business. Today it was Equity Bank. Total operating income dropped from 32 billion shillings in 2016 to 30.9 billion shillings in the first 6 months of 2017. Group Chief Executive James Mwangi said this depressed profit within the period from 14.2 billion shillings in 2016 to 13.3 billion shillings.
The top banks have had their earnings drop by 6%, and the small banks have had their earnings drop by 43%. And of course, that has reoriented the market, where you have 10 banks making 92% of all the profits, and 33 banks are left with only 8%.
Mwangi says the government should rethink the interest rate capping law before it hurts the country's financial sector even further. During the period, regional subsidiaries doubled their profit to the group, where Uganda grew the fastest, followed by Rwanda at 75%.
You can see the contribution of each subsidiary, as we can see in terms of growth, whether it is in deposits. As you can see, they are growing faster than Kenya, so Kenya is becoming smaller. Whether it's the loan book, Kenya has come down from 83% contribution to 78%. And as we have seen, profit, Kenya has come down by another 6%.
Agency banking transactions grew by 10%, while transactions on Equator platform grew by 42% to 138 million deals.
We are maintaining the subsidiary. You know, so long as it's not making losses, we are quite okay to maintain it. How we are surviving now is more based on what James talked about, a lot of the non-funded transactions income. Because remember, the customers are still transacting. It's only that the level of transactions has gone very low compared to what it was before the war.
The South Sudan market continues to affect the performance of the group, where it has closed 7 branches, rendering 300 people jobless. Mwangi says customer numbers now stand at 11.3 million, and it is expected to clock the 12 million mark by December this year.